Would you say you've always been drawn to the mountains?
Absolutely. You know, I love skiing. I've been skiing since I was a little boy. It's like a magnet for me. The mountains, I've always been drawn to them and attracted to them. Only rock, snow, and ice make up the mountains. And that's a wonderful thing. Meeting Francisca was one of the most important things in my life. We've kind of discovered the world together, gone through life together. She's always been there for me. I was tired. I was not getting enough to breathe. My wife thought I was getting out of shape. We were kind of napping, and she had her head against my chest and just jumped right up and said, "Wow, I hear a really loud murmur." And so we went into the cardiologist, and he did an echocardiogram, and he came out and he said, "When do you want to schedule open heart surgery?" I asked him, "Well, what if I just ignore this and not get open heart surgery?" He said, "Well, you'll be climbing or hiking one day or skiing or something, and you'll just fall over and die." When I learned more about the availability of TAVR, I mean, there was no choice. That's the only way I wanted to go. It was wondrous because here I pretty much became aware, being faced with open heart surgery, and there's an option. I was very thankful to get the TAVR. That evening, I was just like happy, 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 happy. You know, I even said to the cardiologist, "Hey, when can I go skiing or climbing again?" And he said, "Well, why don't you give it a week?" I put up a route about a week later, and I did a great ski tour with Francisca. That was a week after my procedure. Yeah, it was pretty emotional. Kind of broke down a little bit. Every day is a gift. And after my TAVR, I got a lot of gifts. I've lived a big life. Heart valve failure isn't how I go out.